All right. Frank
right.
over here got his yellow, and I got my yellow right here. See this? And we're gonna clock for it. I got my yellow, but I got this. And Frank got his. Damn. You see? We're not the only suckers. So we're going to Pollo Tropical.
My last fits tomorrow.
Nice today. See? Frank is going in. Alright, here we go. We are the only fools. Okay, who's gonna be the first? Who's gonna be the first to go and do this? Is it gonna be me? Or is it gonna be Frankie over there? There you go, Frank. Mash your button. Shit. I'm good.
So you're gonna go cluck?
You gotta hurry up and do it before Pretty Girl goes so you're not embarrassed, Frankie.
Hello. We read online that
Go ahead, cluck, man.
I love chicken.
Go ahead.
Cluck. I said I love chicken, right?
No, you gotta cluck, man. Cluck,
Cluck,
bitch.
cluck.
Cluck.
Right here.
No, let's do it to go.
Oh, to go.
To go. Yeah.
Your turn. No, that's all.
the same thing here. You got it now. Cluck, cluck.
Can I turn it off now?
You can turn it off.